What's up guys, it's Cody of 3 Technologies. Here for this week I got the Nova Hotend. So I'm going to be unboxing it and maybe doing a tiny bit setup and then doing some impressions of it. Seeing how it fits on my MK3's Hotend mount. So this is 3D Passion's Nova Hotend. It's comparable to the E3D V6 size Engineering Mosquito's Hotend, Triangle Labs Dragon Hotend, those type of Hotends. So this is a newer Hotend. It's newer than E3D or some of the other ones. It launched in the last year or 2 years. It's made by 3D Passion. Some of the noticeable differences comparing it to the E3 V6 Hotend is that the heater cartridge and thermistors rotate 90 degrees, so it slides in from the top, which is a big difference and it's an improved benefit. It has a longer nozzle, so it's more similar to E3D's higher temp nozzles. And with some of these changes, the speed has increased. So there's rumors that it's faster than the E3D V6. Won't know for sure until I test it out against the E3D V6 or just do a speed test on it to find out. But right now let's get in with the unboxing. So here is the configuration I have mine set up for. It's set up for a Prusa MK3S 3 printer. On the left you got the components, and then on the right you got a long groove adapter needed for the MK3S. And on the far right you can see the price of the components. Comes out to $178. So here's the box that shipped in. Inside we got the retail packaging box. This one to the side. This is what this one looks like. That's 3 Passion over the logo. Then here is the Hotend. We got the heatsink fan, thermal paste, the actual Hotend itself, or the cables coming out from it. I think this is just some kind of design for inside the box. So taking the thermal paste off. I think this insert slides out. And nothing under it. Okay, so this thing between the screws is holding it in place. And it looks to be a smaller size. Which is kind of strange. Okay, so it has this groove adapter right here that you saw for the MK3S. It's not required on all three printers. And then we can see some of the differences between a E3D V6 Hotend build and the 3-passion naval Hotend. You can see the groove is a little bit bigger and it's a whole lot smaller heatsink. And first appearances, it looks like it's going to be a smaller size than the E3D V6, so there may need to be some size adjusted in the firmware to make it work. And you can see the heater cartridge is pointing upwards instead of the traditional horizontal. I think this is a whole lot better design, like I mentioned, since it won't be rubbing against anything on the side like the fan nozzle or the cables. So it'll be less chance of it to break. Because I have broken a few thermistors doing the E3D buttons. And the nozzle goes all the way up to the top. I don't have the tool to take it out, so I can't show you right now. But that's pretty much it for this first impressions. I'll show you some of the specs after this clip that I've screen grabbed. So it appears to be a smaller form size, overall smaller Hotend, but twice as fast from what I've read. The quality design looks acceptable. I think the heater throat was a little bent, but I think it's still acceptable. And it's not the traditional gray black, it's a red color, so that's cool. And I do like the fact that it has the vertical heater cartridge and a bigger nozzle, so it gives the filament more of a preheat time. Right now I don't think you need a PTFE tube for this nozzle, this Hotend. We'll just have to see once we do the setup video for this. This clip is from 3Passion's website, going over some of the specs and benefits of using this Hotend. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. If you like the video and see the latest videos first, make sure to click subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.